What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to fix this experience is not accessible because it is unrated in Roblox. So if you're getting this issue whenever you're trying to play a game here in Roblox, well, there are a few things that you need to know and you need to understand here and how actually Roblox allow players to play certain games here. Now, usually in your Roblox account, you have that gear icon at the top right of your screen. So you want to go and click on that gear icon. Now from here, you want to access your settings. Now the thing with settings here in Roblox, you have the option that looks like, or in this case, displays your current birthday. Now the thing with Roblox here is some of the games here may not be child or in this case not may not be suitable for children. So specifically if your age is below 13 years old, it means that the game is again restricted. You won't be able to play it because it might contain this case content that only like 14 years olds and above can actually understand and actually play or be able to see. So if that's the case, what you need to do is like for example, you're sure that you're not 13 years old, like for example you're 16 or 18 and above. So what you need to do is you want to go and click on the verify button that you'll be seeing in here, and in this case once you click on verify, it should open up a new window, which in this case you just need to follow the on-screen steps. So you need to provide an ID here, answer a few questions, verify your details, but once you've done that, they should verify your account here. So it just takes like around like 10 minutes. In my case, it just took me like 10 minutes in order for me to complete that and also approve the actual verification process here. But typically speaking, once you've actually verified your age here, you should be able to start playing those experiences that may not be or in this case the game that was not rated before. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.